Driving through South Lake Tahoe right now looks a little something like this. That's the middle lane. You got PB back there. See him? That's PB. I'm Droku. Like and subscribe. Love y'all.